Like attracts like, by Manifestor. Magnet like attracts like is a foundational concept in the law of attraction, suggesting that energies, thoughts, and vibrations of a similar nature naturally draw each other. In essence, it means that the frequency or energy you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs aligns with the energy of similar experiences, people, or opportunities in the universe. For instance, positive thoughts and feelings, such as gratitude and optimism, attract more positive experiences, while negative or low vibrational energies, like fear and doubt, often draw similar challenges or obstacles. This principle highlights the idea that we are constantly sending out energetic signals, and what we receive in return mirrors the vibration we are emitting, reinforcing the notion that our inner state directly influences the outer reality we experience. So be mindful of what you are thinking, feeling, and focusing on. For a more successful life, develop the habit of being more on the positive side, rather than a negative state of being. As humans, it's unlikely that we will always be in the best frame of mind or mood, but we can aim to be in the best state possible, at this point in time. Practice being in a good state, starting today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more Law of Attraction content.